This series, this is today I will show you. This is bearing puller and gear separator. As you can see, this is our set. They are set. Hydraulic. This is hydraulic. 1 ton hydraulic bearing separator. As you can see. Okay. Next. This is our joints gear separator, and we can use 2 joints or 3 joints. They are okay. And this is also this is blend hammer. Very beautiful, and this is very black shine, and you can see because the surface is chroming is bright. It's very hard to yes.